Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us a budget smartwatch from Noise and it's the Noise Colorfit Caliber 2. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will show you the features of this smartwatch. So here is the box of the Noise Colorfit Caliber 2. In the front we have the picture of the watch and it's a fitness smartwatch. At the back we have the key features and here we can see the color which is the light lavender. And apart from that, this smartwatch is available in a few different colors. About the features, we get the 1.83-inch display, IP68 waterproof, 12 days battery life, SpO2 monitoring, calls and SMS quick reply, calculator, 24 hours heart rate monitoring, 60 sports modes, and you get 150 plus cloud-based watch faces. The companion app for this watch is NoiseFit, which is available for both Android and iOS. The MRP on the box is Rs 4,999. However, you can purchase one right now for just Rs 1,999. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get the welcome card and here we have the warranty information. And then we get the noise stickers. After that we have the user guide and then below it we have the smartwatch itself. And guys, this watch looks very similar to the Colorfit Caliber and the straps feel quite soft. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the charging cable which is magnetic and it's the same as what we get with other Noise smartwatches. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Noise Colorfit Caliber 2 is a second version in the Caliber series. In terms of the design and build quality, it looks quite similar to the previous version. We have the boxy design and the body is made up of plastic. And due to that, it feels lightweight. The straps are changed this time and we get this type of straps. Though the quality of the straps this time is very good and I find them really comfortable on the hand. But personally, I don't prefer this type of strap design. Now in terms of the overview, we have the 1.83-inch TFT display which is bigger in size as compared to the previous version which has a display of 1.69-inch. The bezel we have here is slim on the top but we get a thicker bezel at the bottom. Looking at the right side, we have the crown function button and at the back we have the sensors along with the charging points. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, just go to the add device section in the app and select the watch from the list and then accept the pairing request on the watch. And that's it. Your smartwatch is now paired with your phone. Now let's look at the watch features. So here we are on the watch face and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. And of course, you can add more from the companion app. Swiping down from the top will show you the notification history and swiping up from the bottom will show you the quick settings. And here we have the battery saving mode, find phone, brightness, DND, torch and the settings of the watch. Swiping left or right on the watch face will show you the quick apps. And here we have the activity, heart rate, stress, breathe and so on. Now to access the main menu, you need to press the crown button once. And here we have the menu. And guys, about the software, we don't see any major lag or stutter in the menu. And the touch is quite responsive. So in the menu, first we have the noise health and here we have the activity which will show you the current day's fitness data. And then we have the sleep and here you can see your last night's sleep details. And after that, we have the SpO2 monitoring and you get good accuracy. And similarly, we have the heart rate monitoring. And here as well, the detection is fast and the data is accurate. And also, you don't get the false reading when the watch is on a table or when you're not wearing the smartwatch. After that, we have the stress monitoring. And then we have the breathe feature by which you can do some breathing exercises to calm yourself down. Now coming back to the main menu, then we have the clock and here we have the alarm which you can set through the app only. And then we have the stopwatch, world clock and the timer with some preset timers. And then we have the workouts and here we have the neatly categorized workout modes and in total you get 60 workout modes. Then in the menu we have the sport record which will show you the workout history. And after that we have the weather and here we can see the current weather along with the weather forecast. And then in the menu we have the music by which you can control the music playing on your phone and also you can increase or decrease the volume. After that we have the reminders, flashlight, watch faces and also the calculator which is again a handy feature. And then finally, we have the settings. In the settings, first we have the brightness control. And guys, about the brightness, it's quite bright and you get the 500 nits brightness in this smartwatch, which makes the visibility quite good for both indoors and outdoors. And then we have the vibration settings. And after that, we have the wrist awake. And about the wrist awake feature, it's quite responsive. And then we have the usual DND, reset, reboot and the power off option. So that's all the features we have in the watch. And about the companion app, it's same and I'll be showing you just the main features. So on the home page, we have the fitness data and on the settings, we have the connected device on the top. And here we have the available cloud-based watch faces. And guys, you can also add a custom watch face. About the settings more, here we have the notification settings, and in this, you can choose the apps for which you want the alert on your smartwatch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, in this smartwatch, you can reject or silently call from the watch itself, and also send a quick reply message, which is for sure very good. And now, let me show you the app alert. So here we have the text alert, and here as well, you get the quick reply option, but no emoji support. Now coming back to the settings, then we have the health monitoring option, and here you can select 24 hours of heart rate monitoring, REM for better sleep tracking, and some reminders such as drink water reminder and the idle alert. And then in the settings we have the Google Fit integration, weather settings, alarm, and also the quick reply settings. Here you can edit or add a new quick reply message. So overall, the Noise Colorfit Caliber 2 is a decent looking smartwatch with good build quality. I find the display performance very good, and the touch is also responsive. The fitness data is quite accurate, and also you don't get false heart rate or SpO2 reading. The watch is lightweight and feels very comfortable on the hand. The battery backup is also good, and with the moderate usage, it can last up to 7 to 10 days. There is however one downgrade, which is that in the previous Caliber version, we had the temperature sensor, which is missing in this smartwatch. But again, the data from that sensor was questionable. So this might be the reason Noise has removed that sensor. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a good quality smartwatch with all the necessary features without the calling support, then the Noise Colorfit Caliber 2 is a very good option. And if you prefer bigger screen size, then for sure check out this smartwatch. And in 2000 rupees, it's definitely value for money. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy this smartwatch, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise Colorfit Caliber 2 smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.